welcome to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing a product, a very little product that I call the little beast, because it's actually the little beast. As a photographer or videographer, there are some shots that you'll be looking for that you cannot get with your usual camera or with your added to it with your tripod. You can't get those shots, but you need a product that will give you that different perspective. Today we'll be unboxing the DJI Mini 2. DJI just released this product and it's very compact. It's very small, and without wasting much time, let's get what it's in this box. First of all, we'll take a little spin around to see this product. You got it? Now this is the Fly More combo. You get a lot of accessories. Now let's rip all this leather out of it quickly. Get it out. Wow, this is just wow. Okay, quickly, let's see what is inside. Whoa. Now when you get, there are two different type of package. When you get the basic, you don't come with this, but when you get the Fly More combo, it comes with this bag. Let's check it out. Whoa. Very small, very small. You can see. All right, let's do this quickly. Wow. Okay. Where am I starting from? Okay, let's start from this. This is a remote control. Accessories. Let's see what's in here. Okay, cable, charger, the charger bank, that's all. Your USB cable to charge the remote control. Okay, this definitely document. And before we get there, okay, some extras item here. This should be a screwdriver. These are extra propellers. Okay, this is what we have been waiting for to get out from the box. Look at it, so small. You see, very small. The back, side, the belly, the top. So this is a mini tool, and this little thing here, whoa, it shoots in 4K. If you can see it, it shoots in 4K. Wow, I can't wait to get this thing rolling and give me that good shot I'm looking for. Now with the fly mode combo, it comes with this strap. You can quickly take it out. It puts your propeller, put them intact. If not, I'll be dangling around. And let's see how this little thing is. Now this is the mini tool. This is the mini tool. So small, so compact. You can just fold it, put it in your bag, and you're ready to go. Now let's look at this other accessories. Wow. Now with the fly mode combo, you get 3 battery. There's 1 battery here. You can see there's 1 battery here. So you have 2 extra battery. And this charger hub can actually serve as a power bank. You can plug in your USB and charge. You can charge the remote control. You can charge your phone if you're out on the field. Now this is one thing I've been waiting for. This is a remote. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. You can see, you can put your joystick. This way you put your joystick, you just take it out and just zip it in here. This is wow. Crazy. This is where you mount your phone. It's good. So I will be doing another video to do a full review of this little beast. It's just so amazing, so amazing. Shoot in 4K. Shoot in 4K. In my next video, we will see what this little thing can do. If you have any comments, any question, feel free to drop it at the comment section. How this thing works as we do the review. Thank you very much. See you on the next time in my next video.